In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a backdoor Roth IRA conversion on TurboTax. If you're someone who recently completed a backdoor Roth IRA conversion, you might be wondering how to correctly report it on your taxes using TurboTax. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you file everything accurately and without hassle. First, you'll need to head over to TurboTax Online. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so now. Once logged in, you're going to navigate to the section titled Deductions and Credits. This is where you can find a variety of tax-related topics, but today we're focusing on your IRA contributions. Next, you'll want to click on Traditional and Roth IRA Contributions. This is a crucial step as it directs you to where you can report your backdoor Roth IRA conversion. The backdoor Roth is a two-step process that involves making an after-tax contribution to a traditional IRA and then converting it to a Roth IRA. It's a popular strategy for those whose income exceeds the Roth IRA contribution limits but still want to take advantage of the benefits a Roth IRA offers. Now that you're in the right section, your next move is to navigate through the IRA options presented to you. TurboTax will ask you a series of questions to determine how to report your IRA contributions and conversions accurately. Be prepared to provide information such as the amount of your contribution to the traditional IRA, the date of conversion, and any other relevant details about the conversion process. Make sure you have these details handy before you start this part of the process. Once you have entered all the necessary information, TurboTax will calculate any taxable amount from the conversion. This is an important part of the process, as it ensures that you report any income tax due on the conversion correctly. While the contribution to the traditional IRA is non-deductible, you may owe taxes on any gains that occurred before the conversion to the Roth IRA. Finally, review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to double-check your entries before finalizing your tax return. Mistakes can lead to processing delays or even an IRS audit, so take the extra time to ensure everything is correct. And there you have it. You've successfully reported your backdoor Roth IRA conversion on TurboTax. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your tax return is accurate and compliant with IRS regulations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your tax filing process a little smoother. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help.